We didn't make it very far, guys. Good? All right, guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be doing like a little camping vlog. It's around 3.5 hours away in Radium, Colorado. It's kind of by like Kremling and Granby. But we're gonna take 3 cars. There's only 4 of us, so it's kind of silly, but we're bringing a lot of stuff. We got the Saturn right here. Pretty nice, pretty nice. The CRV with 3 mini bikes in the back. Super cool. And then if we come over here, we are bringing the CRX that I just picked up like 5 days ago, 4 days ago, something like that. And it has a full interior. The body's not perfect. Completely bone stock, super cool. It still has the hatch cover and everything. So yeah, I'm excited to see what this is gonna do on a 3.5 hour road trip. I'm sure it'll be fine. I have a lot of faith in these CRXs. But yeah, we'll update you every little step of the way. But yeah. We didn't make it very far, guys. It is so cooked. I'm not sure what happened. It's probably the fact that I said I have so much trust in CRXs. But we're gonna go ahead and put everything in the TL, take the good old reliable. And yeah, so we just wasted an hour and a half for nothing. All right, so we're past Laramie. We just passed the border to get into Colorado right now. We just went through all of Medicine Bow. There is a fire ban, which completely blows, but we're being optimistic. After everything that's happened today, it's kind of hard, but it is what it is. So we'll update you as soon as we have, as soon as we get to Kremling. How about that? So we'll update you when we get to Kremling, and then again once we get to the actual spot. But yeah. All right, so we made it here. It's like 12 in the morning. You can see we got the TL, CRV. If you turn around, there is some mini bikes that we just unloaded. But yeah, first night, I think 100% we're just gonna sleep in the car. I brought a tent, but I don't really want to set it up. So we're gonna sleep in the car tonight. Might set up the tent tomorrow. We'll let you know. All right, guys, the next day, we ate breakfast. I forgot to record all that. When we get back to camp, we're gonna show you how we slept. Not the best, but we got the mini bikes unloaded. They're out. We've been riding them for a little bit. The view, pretty amazing. You can see that's the Colorado River right there. But yeah, we got my bike all the way up there. We're gonna go back to camp, get some water. We forgot some water. We're not that far, so we're gonna do that, show you guys some stuff, and then probably keep riding. All right, guys. We are at the hot springs. You can see there's people on boats and everything. We got the mini bikes up here, which is like crazy. It was rough to say the least. But man, look at this view.
Should I jump? Question mark. Should I jump? Like right here.
The sun's setting. It looks great, but
Believe me. This is already starting to bruise.
what do you think, Nate? Post hot spring interview.
It's cool.
It's cool. What do you think? Today, this guy broke the chain. Yes, you could see it's on right now, but the master link is messed up. He just was being nice and just giving him company. Hey guys, we're on the way back right now, but we stopped to get some food. This guy wanted me to take a video. Hooray! All right, so we just got back from our camping trip. You can see I'm in the garage now. The video's not very long, I know. I kind of suck with the whole recording everything. I'm new to the whole vlogging thing, and yeah, I don't know. But you guys should definitely let me know if you like this type of content. If you do, I'll make more, I'll get better. If you don't, let me know. I'll keep going towards like the mini bike or the car stuff, whatever, you know. But yeah, if you like the video, like it. If you're not already, subscribe. I do all sorts of stuff. I'm a pretty cool guy, I think. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.